Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 8, subject physics, unit 1, measurement. Today, we are going to see the new lesson, measurement. Before that, we will discuss about some introduction regarding measurement. Physics is the study of nature and natural phenomenon. Physics is considered as the base for all science subjects. It is based on experimental observations. Theories in physics use many physical quantities that have to be measured. Measurement is the base. It is the base of all scientific studies and experiments. It plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. Measurement is the process of finding an unknown physical quantity. So what is measurement? Measurement is nothing but it is defined as it is a process of finding an unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Clear, children? With standard quantity, we find the unknown value, unknown quantity. That is called the measurement. In this lesson, we will study the measurement in detail. Okay? The first topic is unit system. We need three things for a perfect measurement. They are, the first one is instrument, second one is standard quantity, and third one is acceptable units. For example, centimeter, meter, liter, like that. So, three important things are required, necessary for the perfect measurement. The first one is, first we will see the activity regarding this. Students are asked to measure the length and breadth of the science book. Everyone having your own science book, right? See. Think that it is a science book. What is this? This is called length and this is called breadth. So, you are asked to measure the length and breadth of the science book by using ruler. Ruler is nothing but scale, and compare their measurement with those of their friends. So, you just take your science book and with the help of the instrument ruler, just measure the length and the breadth. If you find the length and breadth and just compare your values with your friends, if there is the same for all the children, no, it is not equal. So, in this activity, let us say that the length of the book be, length be 30 centimeter and the length is the physical quantity. The ruler which is used to measure, it is called instrument, and the 30, here 30 is the magnitude and centimeter is the unit. So, this process is called measurement. With the help of the instrument ruler, we can find the length of the book. So, finally, we got 30 centimeter. In the above activity, the values of all the students will not be same. So, one children got 29, one got 31 centimeter, like that. So, there is no the same values for all the children. Similarly, people in various parts of the world are using different system of units for measurement. So each and every people in the different country in the world, they are using different methods of measurement, and they are using different system of units for measurement. Okay, some common system of units are FPS system. FPS. F stands for foot for length. P for mass. Mass is nothing but weight. P for mass and S second for time. So there are their common system of units. Okay. Second one is CGS. C denotes centimeter. So centimeter for length, G gram for mass, and second for time. The third one is MKS system. M means meter for length, kilogram for mass, and second for time. So these are some of the common system of units. The next one is international system of units. In earlier days, scientists performed their experiments and record their values or results in their own system. Due to lack of communication, it is very difficult to understand. So due to lack of communication, they couldn't organize and others experimental results. So the scientists planned to follow a uniform system for taking the measurement. As you studied in the lower classes, in 1960, the scientists recognized the need of using standard unit for physical quantities. They are called as International System of Units, and it is popularly known as SI system. SI system. Abbreviation for that is System International. S denotes System International. So scientists chose 7 physical quantities as base quantities and defined a standard unit to measure each one. They are known as base unit or fundamental units. There are 7. These 7 are physical quantities. Scientists choose 7 physical quantities as base quantities and it is known as base unit. So base quantities, and it is defined a standard unit to measure each one. So they are known as base unit or fundamental units. So the 7 fundamental, the physical quantities: length, mass, time, temperature, electricity, that means electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. These are the 7 physical quantities and their units. Length unit is meter, it is marked as a symbol m, small m. Mass, the unit is kilogram, so symbol is kg. Third one, time, the unit is second, symbol is small s. Fourth physical quantity, temperature, the unit is Kelvin, it is mentioned as K. The fifth one, electric current, the symbol is, the unit ampere, the symbol is capital A. The next one, luminous intensity, the unit is candela, C-A-N-D-E-L-A, candela, the symbol is small d, small c, small d, CD. The last one is amount of substance, the unit is mole, 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 the symbol is mole, MOL. Thank you children, we will see tomorrow.